Imagine clocking in for a long day at work. Cramped rooms, no air conditioning, and doors locked from the outside. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, in 1911, that nightmare was real for the workers of the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory. But here's the twist. This tragic event didn't just make headlines, it changed history. Out of the ashes of that fire came one of the biggest workplace safety revolutions in the US and eventually OSHA. So today, we're diving into how one disaster over a century ago helped create the safety standards we depend on every single day. On March 25, 1911, the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory in New York City caught fire and killed 146 garment workers on the 8th, 9th, and 10th floors of the building. The door to the only stairwell leading from the 9th floor was locked, supposedly by the owners to prevent workers from leaving early. Unfortunately, the tallest ladders of the New York Fire Department trucks would only reach the 6th floor, and safety nets ripped like paper due to being ineffective. This moment was a wake-up call. Until 1970, no uniform or comprehensive provisions existed to protect workers against workplace safety and health hazards. The fire exposed dangerous working conditions and inadequate safety measures that for years had been overlooked. Public outrage began, which increased pressure on lawmakers to address workplace safety and health concerns. Despite this tragedy, it still took decades before the federal government implemented workplace regulations. More than 350,000 people marched in the funeral procession for the Triangle victims. Activists kept their memories alive by lobbying the local and state leaders to do something in the name of the building and worker safety and health. This paid off because 3 months later, John Alden Dix, who was the governor of New York at the time, signed a new law empowering the Factory Investigating Committee, which resulted in 8 additional laws being passed that covered fire safety, factory inspection, and sanitation and employment rules for women and children. In 1912, activists and legislators in New York State enacted another 25 laws that transformed its labor protections among the most progressive in the nation. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire was a tragedy that shook America to its core, but it also lit the spark for change. The lives lost in that building pushed the nation to take workplace safety seriously, paving the way for stronger labor laws and decades later, the creation of OSHA. Every fire drill, safety inspection, and protective regulation we have today can be traced back to lessons learned from that dark day in 1911. It's proof that progress often comes at a cost, and it's up to us to make sure history never repeats itself. I'm Brooklyn with JG Safety. Thanks for watching.